Hello, my name is Esetu Atini Makovolo and I am an aspiring IT support professional currently involved in the ALX Africa Pathways program where I'm building strong technical, digital, as well as problem-solving skills for today's workplace. I hold an IT technical support qualification, level 4, which I acquired from Extensive ICT Academy. This provided me with a solid foundation in computer systems, basic troubleshooting, and user support. This qualification directly led me to my practical training opportunity at Bonke Internet Cafe, where I applied my skills in a real-world customer-facing environment. At Bonke Internet Cafe, I assisted users with computer access, printing services, and basic hardware, as well as software issues whilst supporting daily operations. This experience reinforced the importance of clear communication, patience, and reliability when providing technical support in a fast-paced environment. Throughout my studies, I have also worked on collaborative team projects, contributing to problem statements and participating in discussions that shaped the direction of proposed solutions and prototypes. These experiences strengthened my teamwork, critical thinking, and structured problem-solving abilities. My career goal is to grow into an IT support technician, or rather a junior systems administrator, where I can continue developing my skills while helping users and organizations operate efficiently. What sets me apart from the rest is my strong work ethic, growth mindset, grit, and a commitment to continuous learning. I am eager to contribute these qualities in an IT environment that is rather professional. Thank you.